So guys, you all are welcome to this channel. We are live here at Abia. As you can see, this is the Abia narrow gauge rail line, and as you can see, everywhere is neat and is now functioning very well. Everything here is functional. As you can see with your own eyes, everything here is functional. You know, this is the Eastern Railway line, and it is a massive project that has been concluded and completed that will link from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri through Abia, Enugu, Makurdi, Plateau, Bauchi and Yobe. You know, this project has been undertaken by the federal government of Nigeria with the funding support of $3 billion from the Chinese financiers, and the execution was awarded to the China Civil Engineering and Construction Company. That's the renowned CCECC. You know, they are known, they are renowned, their reputation is very high, that they can be trusted with engineering, anything engineering work. So this company is a very good, as you can see, everything here is working perfectly well, you know, and it measures 1443 kilometers of 106.7 mm narrow gauge rail line. You know, the project aims to link the southeast, north central and northeastern parts of Nigeria through a rail transportation network. This will improve the socio-economic activities, boost trade, and facilitate ease of movement among the regions involved in the project. You know, Nigeria is battling with a high food inflation rate, the bulk of which is due to the insecurity in the north and the subsequent removal of fuel subsidies. You know, completion of this project will have a positive impact on food inflation, as it will be cheaper to haul food products from the north by rail than the road. Also, industrial grade goods and imported items can be moved from the south and southeast to other parts easily. You know, the Port Harcourt Abia project is part of the larger Port Harcourt Maiduguri railroad project initiated by the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. So guys, it was recently that the managing director of Nigerian Railway Corporation (NRC) made it known to Nigerians that the line connecting Port Harcourt to Abia was done, and as you can see, everywhere is neat and it has been done and it's now functional. That's why we are here. It's functional. Look at everywhere. Look at the trains, man. Oh my god, everything is now functional. So he reviewed this information while leading a delegation to inspect the project. He said train services will commence in a few months as soon as the finishing touches are completed on the tracks. And as you can see, the tracks are already completed and the trains is already on the tracks. Man, everywhere is just neat. That's my own observation, and it's now working. Man, one day I'll just book is it flight? It's not flight. I'll just book train and travel to one of these states that is linked to. Look at everywhere, man. So guys, this progress that you are seeing, you know, the progress shown in this project, so that the project has continued since the last administration and a milestone has been achieved. You know, Port Harcourt to Abia completed. The project is still in works, and there is major progress being made. And I can't forget to say this, all thanks to Alex Otti, because it was through him that the federal government did this. You know, without him, this place won't be functional. You know, it has been abandoned since. So this thing was there, but nobody cared to, you renovate it. Everywhere was just abandoned, but all thanks to Alex Otti, who came in power and saw that this would be of help to the citizens, and he made it possible that this project will be executed and perfectly concluded. As you can see, everything is now working. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. You can come to Abia and come and see for yourself. This one I've shown you is enough evidence. You can come and also see for yourself. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment below. See you guys in our next video.